Yes, this is vital tutorial. In today's video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of a number base. Addition and subtraction of a number base. But here, I'll be bringing in the idea of what? BODMAS. The idea of BODMAS. What do you mean by BODMAS? BODMAS. I know many of us knew this before now. B is bracket, O is off, D is division, F is multiplication, A is addition, YS is what? Subtraction. But for we to do this, when we are talking about BODMAS in an expression, we consider first the expression. If the expression has a bracket, it then means that you consider bracket first. The figures in the bracket, you figure that out first. Then you go for off. If the expression has off, then you follow off. Off means multiplication, you do that again. Division, if it is division, you follow that again. And if it is multiplication, you follow that. But in the above expression today, we'll be considering just for the first question, we'll be considering BODMAS, but the two last letter BODMAS. We'll be considering this for this. Here we have addition and what? Subtraction. And you can see addition came before what? Subtraction. So here we'll be considering addition first before subtracting. So let's go. This is 1 0 1 0 1 0 in base 2. This is 1 1 0 1 1. You add them together first. And don't forget that this is base 2. Your answer should be in between what? 0 and what? 1. Because in base, your answer must not be equal to your base, and your answer must not be greater than your base. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You can see that 2 is equal to our base, and the law of base doesn't what? Agrees that. So you just say 2 is 2, write your 2, then we have 2 here again. Just say 2 goes in 2, write your remainder. 2 goes in 2 is 1, remainder 0. Then you write 0, you carry 1. That is why in base, they normally say for base 2, 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 10. Why 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 11. You have to take note of that. So here, 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is just what? 2, and 2 is equals to 2. Just follow the normal what? Step. So you still have what? 10. So you write down 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is still what? 2. You follow the normal process again, it's still what? 10. You write down 0, then you carry 1. 1 plus 1 is just what? 10. So you write down 1 and what? 0. So this is the answer for this. When you add this together, is what? This. Then you now subtract this. So this is 1 0 1 0 1 minus. Don't forget that in what? Base 2. Base 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Now look at this. This is 0. This is 0 minus 1. You have to borrow 1 here. And when it comes here, don't forget anything you borrow is nothing but your what? Your base. So I borrow 1. When it comes here, it becomes 2. So I'll still borrow 1 from here. When it becomes here, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but what? 1. And here I'll be left with what? 1. So here I'll be left with what? 0. That means that this is the final answer. I hope you understand this. So let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says evaluate 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 in base 2 minus 1 1 1 1 base 2 plus 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. So let's follow BODMAS. BODMAS here, the first thing is bracket, and you can see this involves bracket. It means you have to what? You have to figure out the numbers in the bracket first. You have to add this plus this together before you can do any other things. So let's go. So let's go there. This is a 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 plus 1 1 1 0 1, all in base are 2. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 2. You can see that that is equals to our base, and the loss of base doesn't agree to that. So you just say how many 2 we can find in 2 is nothing but what? 1 remainder 0. So you write down your 0 just the same way we did that. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 10. So you write down your 0, then you carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 is greater than our base, and the loss of base doesn't agree with that. So you just write your 3, then figure out this by writing your what? Remainder. 2 goes in 3, that is 1 remainder 1. This is your answer, because 1 is not up to 2 again, so you stop here. So your answer is what? 11. So you write down 1, you carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is still what? 3. So you follow the normal step again to still give us what? 11. You carry 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. And 2, this one is equals to our base directly. Although I've done this before, 2 goes in 2 is nothing but what? 1 remainder 0. 1 plus 1 is just what? 10. Then you carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. But this is in base 2. The answer will be what? 11. 1 1. So this is in base 2. Are we done yet? No, we are not done yet. If you look at this number is bigger than this. So we can now subtract this from this now. So this will be 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. This one is 0 1 1 0 1 1. Subtract from this, still in base what? 2. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, no, you have to borrow 1. So you have to borrow 1. When you borrow 1, when it comes here, don't forget anything you borrow is your what? Your base. So if I borrow 1, when it comes here, it becomes 2. If I borrow 1, it comes here, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but what? 1. But I borrow 1 from this base, you will be left with what? 1. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. Here we'll be left with nothing, we'll be left with 0. So we borrow 1, when it comes here, it becomes what? Your base, which is 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but what? 1. Here we'll be left with what? 0. So you borrow 1 from here, when it comes here, it becomes what? 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. This is your final answer in base 2. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thanks. I remain your beloved tutor, Jerome.